Giggles fun, giggles fun. Hello friends, it is time to learn about some yummy fruits. This is an orange, a little sweet, a little sour, and very tasty. What is next?
Oh, a watermelon.
Green on the outside, red on the inside, yummy and refreshing. Next we have strawberry. Red, juicy and sweet, the perfect snacking fruit. And now another red and juicy fruit. Yes, that's right, a cherry. Pop that tasty cherry in your mouth. And what do we have now? A banana, our healthy daily snack. Have you eaten this fruit? Correct, it is an apple. Crunchy, tasty, yummy, yummy apple. What is the next delicious fruit? A pineapple. Sweet and tangy pineapple. Oh, and what is this bright fruit? It's a dragon fruit. Sometimes white, sometimes pink, but always soft and delicious. Yay! Now we know our fruits. Let's meet again to learn more fruits.